In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentage of total in Microsoft Excel. Start by opening Excel and the worksheet that contains the numbers you want to analyze. Make sure your data is clean and numeric, ideally listed in a single column with a clear header above it. If you have a header, do not include that header cell in any calculations. Also check that there are no stray text values or blank rows mixed into the numbers you plan to sum and analyze. Next, create the total you'll use as the denominator. Click an empty cell where you want the grand total to appear, usually at the bottom or off to the side. Type XSUM and then select the full range of your values with your mouse. Excel will fill in the range for you, like A2, A10. Close the parenthesis so it looks like XSUM A2, A10 and press enter. That cell now holds the total of all your items. If the sum looks off, confirm that your range includes every number you need and excludes headers or notes. Now calculate the percentage for the first item. Move to a new column next to your data and click the cell in the same row as your first value. Type the equals sign, then click the cell with that first value so it's referenced in the formula. Type A// to divide, and then click the cell that contains your total. Before pressing enter, lock the total cell so the reference won't shift when you copy the formula down. With the total cell still selected in the formula bar, press F4. You'll see dollar signs appear, creating an absolute reference like B11. If your keyboard requires it, you may need to use the FN key with F4. Locking the total ensures every row divides by the same fixed total. Press enter to calculate the result. You'll likely see a decimal. To display it as a percentage, go to the Home tab and click the percent style button or press Ctrl+Shift+%. If needed, use increase decimal to show more precision. Finally, copy the formula to the rest of your rows. Hover over the bottom right corner of the calculated cell until you see the small square handle, then drag it down to fill the remaining rows. Because the total is locked, each row now shows its value as a percentage of the overall total. That's it. You've summed your data, created a percentage formula, fixed the total reference, formatted the results, and filled the column for every item.